In this quick video, I'll show you how to replace the internal battery in your Chevy Cruze key fob. Replacing your internal battery at home is very easy to do, and it will take you under 5 minutes, and you don't need any special tools to get it done. Now, some of you out there might have a 5-button or a 4-button version of this device, so it'll have some extra buttons in here. I happen to have a 3-button version, but it doesn't matter how many buttons you have, as long as you have this Cruze flipping key fob. Let me see, not this one. We have another video for this one. This is the newer flipping version. So it doesn't matter how many buttons you have, as long as you have this smaller flipping key. The process is going to be the same, and the battery is going to be the same, so you can just follow along with me here. Now, this is super easy. What we want to do is flip open the key. Oh, by the way, if you don't know where to get these CR2032 batteries, you can check the link in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon, where they have these batteries for just a couple of bucks. So the first step here is to flip out the key, and then in here where the key was just housed, we're just going to push up on this lip that will remove this back section of plastic. So you can, it's actually really easy to do just with your finger, so I'll show you that first. Just hold on the top, this part won't move, and we're just pushing up and removing this back piece of plastic. If it feels a little stiff or it's too difficult for you, you can take a coin, just like a large coin, like a quarter will work, and you can go in that opening and just twist, and that twisting motion will push the back piece of plastic up enough that then you can just pull it off with your fingers. From here, you can just push on the battery, right where there's this kind of tab holding the battery in place. If you just push there, the battery pops right out for you. Now you can dispose of your old battery and make sure the new battery is a CR2032 battery. And when we put it in, we want this positive side that has the plus sign on it to be facing up. So just slide that into place and push it down until it's sitting flat. And all we need to do now is just push this back piece of plastic back on there. You can fold your key in and you are all set. I hope that was helpful for you, and if it was, you can let me know in the comments or just by giving this video a like. We always greatly appreciate that. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come back to this channel. We've got you covered with a video for almost every device from every maker model out there. And you can also get that information over at our website, fobbattery.com.